Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SSO on Zoom with Okta, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable single sign-on, or SSO, on Zoom using Okta, start by logging into your Okta admin on the dashboard, navigate to the Applications section. Click on Add Application. In the search bar, type Zoom and select the Zoom application from the results. Next, click on that Add button to proceed. You will be directed to the application configuration screen. Under the General tab, set the application label for Zoom. Scroll down to find the Sign-On tab and click on it. In the Sign-On Method dropdown, select SAML 2.0. You will now see fields to fill out for the SAML settings. Start with the single sign-on URL field. Enter the following URL, https://zoom.us/sso. Next, scroll down to find the Audience URI field. This should be entered as https://zoom.us. Fill in the default relay state field with the desired URL after login. In the Name ID format dropdown, select Email address. Now, locate the Attribute Statements section. Click on Add Attribute to include new attributes. Set the first attribute as email with the value as user.email. Then, add another attribute named firstname with the value user.firstname. Lastly, add lastname with the value user.lastname. After entering all the attributes, click on Save. You will now need to configure your Zoom. Log into your Zoom admin account. Go to the Advanced section and select Single Sign-On. In the SSO settings, enter the SAML endpoint URL from your Okta configuration. Next, input the Identity Provider Certificate from the Okta Sign-On page. Ensure that all your settings are saved. Return to Okta and click on Done to finish the application setup. Make sure to assign the Zoom app to the appropriate users. After assigning, test the SSO setup. Log out of your Zoom account and attempt to log in again. You should see an option to sign in using Okta. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.